All right. Uh, I haven't done one of these in a while. Let's see, last week was the convention. I tried to record on Friday, and it was over far too fast. And then I had a league match on Saturday, which is still sitting in my videos, waiting to be, well, it's halfway processed, because for reasons, namely my opponent, it ended up taking 3.5 hours, so it takes like forever to process, and I just haven't had the time. So anyways, I'm playing now. And we have a board here that I think is going to not really be that buildy, although I guess we'll find out the hard way if that's not true, because I'm certainly not going to be trying to build very much. I think what we're gonna primarily focus on is trying to just like go Skulk, Enlarge, and rush provinces here. There might be a little bit of trouble with that with Villain. I'm not sure like how exactly to run stuff in the meantime. Like we're gonna target Enlarge, we're gonna open Skulk, probably Fool with the silver, hope to get up to 5. By Enlarge, that'll take coppers into Snake Witch Estates into more Skulks. I'll just hope to kind of go from there. Artist is the only draw here, is trying to draw feel a lot less appealing. You can certainly thin down, but kind of skeptical on, I don't know, everything else. Well, this will give me my 5. You're taking Artist already. That's just a cantrip, isn't it? Like, I'm not missing something there, I hope. This is really nice, being able to discard all of these. Just kind of get the cycling going back around. Am I rushing an Enlarge here? Yeah, I guess so. Won't do anything right now, but it'll do something in this hand, I guess. I guess we'll just rush more Enlarge, is what's going to happen. Like, this goes to Skulk, sure. Continue, rush Enlarge again. It's not doing anything at the moment, but like, it seems like the move to just get the remodel a little bit quicker, right? Here maybe we go like Skulk to gold or Skulk to another Enlarge. Not sure exactly. I suppose I could be putting Artist in, like that's likely to draw 2 or something like that. Like a lab for 8, is that really that amazing? I don't know, to be honest. That's maybe alright. I think we'll take another Enlarge, and yeah, let's go ahead and pick up like a single Artist. Now the expectation is that somehow I'll be able to have Enlarge out, and the Artist will actually be able to be, at least lab. Well, I kind of wonder, like, about taking a villain. I'm not going to have a village in deck, so I'm kind of already, like, at 3 Enlarges, which is hopefully going to be, I don't know, sufficient to make things work. And, like, here, maybe we just take another one, right? This will be a Skulk. I guess maybe we'll do a Lost in the Woods and see what happens. I'm not really happy about having all 3 Enlarges back down there, like at all, but such is life. I guess we won't do a Lost in the Woods. Okay, that'll just turn this into it. I guess I could rush a Snake Witch, just like give a curse. Is that the best thing to do on 4? Surely the answer is yes. Sure, the answer is yes, that's the best thing to do on 4. Let's go. So now the enlargers just start kicking in a bit more. This would be a sad artist, but that's fine. Do I want to just rush another Snake Witch or take a gold? I think we're taking gold. And now I'm going to start provincing like every opportunity. Whether it's a mill or whatever, it's time. For that, 2 cards. Go like Fool into Skulk. I'll just rush one of these guys again. It's kind of a funny little thing to do. Just this like opportunity, like if I have, 4, just say it's give a curse out. Oh man, that was a sucky famine. Oh well, more Skulk, more province. This will just be more province unless I get villained, which I doubt's gonna happen. Look at that Snake Witch failing. That's amazing. Rush Snake Witch. Surely will be the move. Especially going into this shuffle, like... Go. I have a decision coming up whether to mill province or enlarge the Skulk. I think we're going to go probably enlarge the Skulk into like duchy at this point. Oh, well, top deck the artist, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think it's just not, the best thing ever over there. I'm going to just do a couple more turns. See if I'm, like, how close I actually am to maybe, emptying stuff. Like, right now, I guess the mill province option is probably the best, like, mill province, take a state, just because, you're not able to take 2 in the same turn, so that's not really a actual concern. Oh, look at that. We're even going to just do it the next turn. That's an amazing deck, right? So, yeah, that's how that one was about to resolve. That resign was somehow very well timed, and yeah, just a little bit uglier deck. And hopefully this will go so that we could look at the decks again soon. But I'll see you all.